Alright guys, welcome back to a new video, and today we are comparing the new leaked not Nerf rival, just normal Nerf, Infinus with the Nerf Rapidstrike. Enough with me talking, let's get to what's similar with these two. They're both Nerf Elite Dart magazine-fed Nerf blasters, at least I think. They both have a front attachment nozzle and some tactical rails. They both have a built-in stock, and they're both Nerf Elite. Enough about that, let's go on to the differences, starting with the Rapidstrike. Alright, so this is the Nerf Rapidstrike. The first difference is it has more tactical rails than the Nerf Infinus, with 3 more, or maybe even 4, with two side attack rails and 2 more on the top, instead of the Infinus is just 1. Another difference is it comes with an 18-round magazine, which is smaller than the Infinus's 30. And the other difference is that we know it's full auto, but I think, and also this retails for $50 at Toys R Us, which is the best place I know to buy it, but you can commonly find them for $30, maybe even as low as $20, so you can catch a good deal with these a lot because they are older Nerf blasters. And they're also great to modify. You can get some amazing, like 12, 13 darts per second out of these pushers when modified. But we're assuming you're not modifying. So, yeah. Onto the Infinus. Alright, so this is the Nerf Elite Infinus. One difference we know is this stock may not be adjustable. We haven't actually seen a stock adjustment feature on this, so we do not know if the stock's adjustable. I'm thinking not, but maybe since the Elite logo might be bulging out, it might have an adjustability feature. This may or may not be full auto, which for the price tag of $70 at launch, it better be full auto. We do know that both the Rapidstrike and the Infinus are pusher-fed, because the Infinus has a technology where you can reload loose darts into the magazine, which is a motorized feature within the Nerf blaster itself, which means you could take loose darts, put it probably where the infinity symbol is on it, and just shove them in there and get your darts reloaded. Be tactical like that, so that way you don't have to carry extra mags around your body. You can just carry dump pouches all the time. Or, just a backpack full of Elite darts. And yeah, another difference, which you probably already heard me mention, was the price tag. This is $70. That's going to be a lot of money to dump on a Nerf gun, but you can self-reload, so if it's really great at it, you could have a giant reloading device. So yeah, I'll get into which one you should get, if you should get any at all, or anything like that, so I'll get to that. So, onto that. Alright, so after you've heard the comparison, which one should you get? Well, this is just my opinion. My opinion is just like, if you really want just a full auto all the time Nerf gun, just get the Rapidstrike. Even though it can't self-reload, it can do everything. Although the Infinus might have faster rate of fire stock because it's newer. The Rapidstrike's just a great shell, such neat looks great. And it also functions well, even though it only shoots 2 darts a second and takes 2 seconds to fully rev up for firing stock. It's really great looks, really great usage, really great ergonomics, and we don't know anything about the Infinus. So further news from big YouTubers and people who go Toy Fair and mess around with this thing will be able to get a better idea of what the experience will be, and you can decide from there. So like, subscribe, comment down below what I got wrong, and there's probably something I got wrong. And, well, goodbye.